Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer shrimp stuffed mini sweet peppers. Let's begin. We have here some mini sweet peppers and we're only making the first batch. All we have to do is just cut it in half like that. Remove the seeds, right here, remove the seeds. There you go. Like I said, we're making only the first batch. We have here 1 pound of extra large shrimp. It's 2630 size. We have 1 pound of shrimp already thawed, peeled, and deveined. And we're going to pour them out. First, we're going to chop up the shrimp. There we go. It's nicely chopped up into smaller pieces. We're going to put it into a bowl. We have here a 1/4 cup of green onions chopped up, and we're going to add it to the shrimp. Next, we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, there you go, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, there you go, and lastly 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. There you go, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's nicely mixed together. Now let's add it to the sweet mini peppers. I'm going to take some and put it into the sweet mini peppers. Just like that. Alright, last one. Stuff the shrimp into the mini pepper. Looking good. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it to 380 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 380 degrees. Let's put in the shrimp stuffed mini sweet peppers. There we go. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 12 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 12 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer shrimp stuffed mini peppers. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.